Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Android apps automatically in Google Play Store. Full guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Network Preferences. Now, choose the first option is over any network. This allows apps to update using both Wi-Fi and mobile data. The second option is over Wi-Fi only. This ensures updates only occur when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. The third option is Don't Auto-Update Apps. Selecting this will prevent any automatic updates. Choose the option that best suits your preferences. Once selected, tap on Done to save your settings. Your device will now automatically update apps based on your chosen preference. To manually check for updates, go back to the Google Play Store homepage. Swipe down to refresh the page. Scroll down to the Updates section. Here you will see all available updates for your installed apps. You can tap Update All to update everything at once. Alternatively, you can update individual apps by tapping Update next to each one. Once the updates are complete, your apps will be up to date. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection for smooth updates. That's it. You are now equipped to keep your Android apps up to date automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.